Hey guys, so here's an update with ITP. So good news, there's a new promo running, which is the Halloween deposit bonus. So once you log in your account, it will pop up. So new users who will make their first deposit of 202.3, the user will receive $27 and referrals will receive $22. Number two, new users who make their first single deposit of 1,000, you will receive $107 bonus. So a huge difference, right? And it's another bonus for us to include on our quantization amount. So that's a big difference, because every time we trade or we quantize, we are earning 2.5% depending on our current level. Okay, and you can read this, the requirements and the amounts that you can receive if you deposit your funds. Okay, and this will run up to October 31st, 96 hours. All right, so that's a big help, guys. Let's consider this, because our earnings, daily earnings, will depend on the amount that we are trading or we are quantizing. Okay, and I have a great news, guys. Today I was qualified on the next level. Okay, so you can see my balance right now here. So it's my 8th day today with ITP. And if we click the quantize here, you can see that I am now on level 2. And the difference from G1, okay, G1 is only 2.5% per day, and G2 is 2.8% per day. So that's a big difference. And also I am compounding my capital. That's why I'm adding up my earnings in total. My total earnings is increasing. So this is very exciting, guys. And we all know the importance of longevity and stability of a certain project. If that's a reliable platform, then we can trade or we can deposit funds with the ease of mind. So never worrying about our capital, if it will be lost or if it is safe in the platform. So that's more important for me. Okay, and 2.8% is really a great profit, right? If we put our money into a bank, we will only make like 1% annually. Okay, but with ITP, since quantitative trading is real and very profitable, very sustainable, and traders really makes a lot of money. So this is what I love from this app. Okay, trading, even without inviting anyone, we can still make a lot of money, and the power of compounding as well. Okay, so for you to qualify G2, you need to have a capital or recharge of 500 and at least 5 total team members on your first generation, all right, direct referral members who deposit at least minimum of $100. And thank you so much for those of you who trust me on this project, who joined me on this project. And you will now start to make money as well. Okay, thank you for your trust, guys, and whatever help or guidance, please join my Telegram channel and we can communicate there. All right, so now my on G1, right, our maximum quantitative amount is up to 20,000 only. Okay, and on G2, this will increase to 30,000 US dollars, right? So, and I can now quantize 6 times compared to my previous ones, which is only 5 times on G1, right? So every time we upgrades or upgrades to the next level, our quantize times also increase, as well as the daily percentage. So they said G3 is the start of really like a magic, and yeah, you can maximize the earnings from this level. So the minimum amount should be $2,000, and 20 people direct referrals, at least with $100 deposit. So since this is a long-term project, people can join this platform easily, okay? Because yeah, people are looking for a reliable and long-term passive income, and ITP is proven and operating since 2013. So yeah, that's the advantage. So now I'm excited to do my quantization. All right, so I will earn 2.8%, and I will trade 6 times this time. Okay, so let me do that right now. Alright, so I'm done for today. So I've earned 16.64 on my trades just for today on my G2 level. So tomorrow it's gonna be greater amounts of profits, because yeah, there's we all know there's to be released funds. All right, so that's part of the stability of the company. So there's a 72-hour fund review mechanism for each funds that was being added to our assets. So you can see that I have now 647, but if we click on quantize, only 594 is available for trading or quantization. Okay, so yeah, that's part of the sustainability of this project. So by simply clicking this button, we can now earn or make money passively every day, and the power of compounding again is very powerful. So let's see, it's just my 8th day today, and after a month I can now make my ROI just from the trades, and the commissions are not included. So maybe earlier, maybe in 2 weeks time, I can get my capital back, and I will continue to recharge until I reach like G3, and then that's the time I start to withdraw my capital. All right, and the profit, I will write it and compound it up to 5 months or more. So that's my strategy, guys. And for those of you who signed up, yeah, this is the safest platform I've known. Okay, it's operating since 2013, so that's why I am really confident to share this project to my team. All right, so that's all I have for you guys with ITP. You're very much welcome to join my Telegram channel, and if you need help or guidance or assistance, you can reach out to me. So yeah, we can keep in touch there. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much again. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and share your thoughts, and also consider thumbs up. This will help my channel grow. So thank you so much again. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.